Okay, here we have the Remco 55 Aquajet AES with a new controller. Go ahead and plumb your pump to the test station. Make sure your flow valve is fully open. And here's the final test instructions. Specifications: 12 volt DC from power supply, and then inlet pressure 0 psi, drawing water from below the pump 3 feet. Okay, step number 1 is bypass mode setting. It says connect voltage directly to motor leads. After clearing air, close valve fully and adjust bypass to 110 psi. Okay, so we're gonna need a pigtail to connect directly to the motor, and then connect your power supply leads. Make sure it's black, negative to black and positive to red, and turn on your power supply. After clearing all the air out, go ahead and close your flow valve fully to set the bypass. It says 210 psi. Right about there, 110. Step number 2, check for back leak. Disconnect voltage from motor leads. Observe pressure drops but stabilizes above 60 psi within 10 seconds. So disconnect power, and the pressure drops but stabilizes above 60 psi. In this case, it's stabilizing about 74, and it holds within 10 seconds. And then step number 3, modulation mode. It says connect motor to controller, connect switch to controller, apply voltage to controller leads, and open flow valve fully. So connect motor to controller, switch to controller, open flow valve fully, and connect power supply to controller. Red, positive to red, and negative to black. Step number 4 is trim pot preset. Adjust VR2 trim pot fully clockwise. VR2, it's the trim pot in the corner. Sets to adjust it fully clockwise, and adjust VR1 trim pot fully counterclockwise. VR1 trim pot fully counterclockwise. There. Step number 5, current setting. Adjust pressure to 40 psi. Slowly adjust VR2 trim pot counterclockwise until bore LED flashes. Adjust pressure to 40 psi. Slowly adjust VR2 trim pot counterclockwise until bore LED flashes. VR2 counterclockwise. So we'll go back counterclockwise until the LED flashes. And it says that your current must be 6.8 to 7.2 amps. We're at 7.1. Checks. And then step number 6, flow check. Flow must be between 2.0 gallons and 2.4 gallons at 40 psi. At 40 psi, we're 2.2 gallons. Slightly down. 40 psi, we're between 2 gallons and 2.4 gallons. Checks. And then steps number 7, shut off setting. Adjust flow valve to 0.4 gallons per minute. So adjust your flow to 0.4. Right there, 0.4 gallons per minute. Then slowly adjust VR1 trim pot clockwise until pump starts cycling. So adjust VR2 pump clockwise until pump starts to cycle. There. And then pressure must be from 55 to 65 psi. Okay, and then last step is off on check. Close valve fully and pump must shut off. Close valve fully and pump shuts off. And then open flow valve fully and pump must restart. Okay, do these a couple times. Close. Open. Close. Open. And that's it, the end of the test.